Hi, everyone. Today we're going to do a crystal singing bowl sound meditation. So go ahead and make yourself comfy, maybe lay down, grab a blanket or a pillow, and go ahead and just set up right away. We're going to get right into it. This is going to leave you feeling deeply relaxed and rejuvenated. Take a deep breath in and out, and then let the sound waves just carry you away. Take one more deep breath in and out. Just for a moment, notice how you feel. And slowly start to wake yourself back up. So, sound healing, sound therapy is a great way to calm the nervous system. And different frequencies and sounds are associated with different parts of the body. So, today I was playing three bowls. C, which is associated with the root chakra, so the base of your spine. And then F, which is the heart. And then A, which is your third eye. So these are different parts of your body you might have felt a little activated with those sounds. Maybe not. There's no right or wrong way to experience this. So hopefully this was a relaxing, quick moment for you just to take some time for yourself. Check out some of our other videos of things you can do for self-care and meditation. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and share it with a friend. And we'll see you later.